welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Stitch Fix box, minus the box in the video because I am getting to the fun part, the try on, pretty quickly in. But before I do, let's just discuss how Stitch Fix works very quickly. So it is a subscription styling service. You fill out a style profile, and once you fill out the style profile, you will get styled with your first box. You pay $20 for the styling fee. If you use my link in the comments, you could get that first styling fee waived, and you can also get $25 to shop anything in your first Stitch Fix box. They usually style you with 5 items in the fix, and if you keep all 5, there is a buy all discount of 25%. But let's get right to the fun part of my fix. So this little envelope came in my box, and my box was delivered by FedEx, but any returns go back through the United States Post Office. But the box, when I take the paperwork out, it says, "Oh, hello." And in that paperwork is a style card with all of your items and also a note from your stylist. So I'm going to read this. It says, "Hello there, Janine. Welcome back to Fix number 48. Hope you're having an awesome day. My name is Rebecca, and I'm happy to be styling you this time. Sorry that you've been frustrated by not receiving lug sole booties. Since our inventory as stylists is constantly changing, we cannot guarantee certain styles at the time of shipment. But it is your lucky day because these booties by Mia popped up as I was looking for the last piece for your 5-item fix." See, 5. Yay. I'm hoping that you love the fit. Try wearing them with the UGG sweater and the dark wash jeans by 1822 Denim. If there is ever a particular style that you're looking for that you don't receive in a fix, I recommend that you check out the Freestyle Shop feature on our app. You may have some luck finding exactly what you need on there. Let me know what you think. Cheers, Rebecca. So before I get to this try on, and I've already got some of the items on that are in this fix, I would like to discuss very quickly my last fix. I sent everything back, as everybody knew. That was 2 fixes that I did that. So the last one and the one before that. This time out, they are still pumping that Freestyle Shop, and I know we had this discussion the last time out, and I agree with all the comments I got. I don't want to buy from that shop if I'm not getting the discount. I agree with you guys. So I don't love that note. I still am kind of like frustrated with that, but I guess that's what it is. On top of that note, I have another new stylist, and she mentioned about the boots. So I'm going to show you something. So hang on a second. Okay, I'm back, and I want to discuss. So the boot that she's mentioning and that I started to explain before this is by Mia. It is the Weston pull-on heeled bootie. And I know I'm lopsided here because I want to show you something. So these are the Mias that were sent to me. And yes, I did ask for lug sole. These fit the bill of what I asked for. The color, everything. I wanted light. But before these actually got sent to me, because I was a little frustrated that I wasn't getting sent, at my Marshalls, these are by Naturalizer, I found these boots. So I'll put them side by side in a second, but these are by Naturalizer. You can see. So it has like the elastic here and the zipper on the inside. Lug sole, dark sole. So here are the 2 boots. Let's see if I can do justice and come out and you can see them. Side by side. Hang on. I kind of feel like they're very similar. I know this has more black running through it, but the color is really similar, and I got a very good deal on this boot. So unless this is a 5 for 5, I don't know if I'm going to keep these because I just kind of feel like they're very similar. And I don't know if I need 2 pairs that are similar. But she's right. She honored that request. So can't complain. I just happened to find these before this box showed up. So that said, we're going to get to the try on in a second. I'm not going to try these boots on. I'm not going to get them dirty and, you know, try them all. I'm not saying I'm going to get them dirty, but I'm saying I'm not going to pull them all out, take all the paperwork out if I'm not going to keep them. So for this try on, I'm going to be wearing my boots. Just keep that in mind. Okay, I am back now. And now for the actual real try on. So I have 2 of the 5 items on in this fix. And on top, and you know what? There's more paper in my envelope. There's more paperwork. So let me get that out as well so I can give you the lowdown. You're going to see before this, you will see the the style cards with all the pricing as well, in case that's not covered here in somehow, any way, shape, or form in my try on. But on top, so I'll pull back, I have on, this is by Coffeeshop. This is the Leonie Wubby Hoodie Vest. And this vest is in the color light gray. It's a size extra small and it is $68. So let me show you. And come a little closer so you can see the Wubby fabric. Also show you that there is a hood, which really cute. So with the hood, pockets, I'm backing up into my chair, I'm sorry. But here's the full length in the front. Here's the full length in the back. So it's cute and it's nice and cozy. I don't know though how practical, only because it doesn't have any way to close. There's no zipper, there's no button, nothing. So I think this is just something you would throw on very quickly, like if you were running from the car to like the building or whatever, you know, whether it's, I work from home, but if it was working somewhere, running into a store real quick, this could probably work. It's a nice extra layer. I just am concerned that there is no way to close it in case it's like windy and I wanted it closed. There's nothing. So I don't know. On the bottom, and I'm going to pan down in a second, I have the jeans. So the jeans are by 1822 Denim. They're the Butter Winter Skinny Jean in navy, size 2, and these are the cheapest item in the box, coming in at $49. So hang on, we're going to pan down. Okay, so here are the jeans as promised. And by the way, the top that I have on, this top is from Ever Eve and Transcend. It is by Chaser. It's the waffle knit top. It was in one of my boxes previous, so if you're looking for it, just check out one of my old Transcend videos. But these jeans have no pockets in the front. Here is the front, the fit in the front. The fit in the back, they're a little low in the back, like they're not quite covering my underwear, but I just lifted them a little, but it's the fit in the back. They do have working pockets in the back. The length is not bad. Like I said, these are my boots. I just cuffed them slightly because they're just skim the booty when you cuff them once. So, but they're very, very soft. They're jeggings. These are, I would consider jegging material, more or less. But that said, I'm going to come back and I'm going to switch out the vest with a cardigan. So hang on for that momentarily. So So as promised, I am back and I have the cardigan on. And I'll back up so you could see it better in a couple of moments, but I also want to show you close up the color. So this cardigan is by BB Dakota. It is the X Steve Madden Odessa open pocket cardigan. And this cardigan is in the color blush, size extra small. And this cardigan is matching for the most expensive item with, there's an UGG sweater in here, and that is also the same price, $88. So the highest, almost highest price, because two things are the same price. But here is the color, very pretty color. I have it cuffed once because this is how long, and don't mind my manicure, I need to do my nails, so I know they're a mess, but this is how long the sleeve on this cardigan is. And if you can see, I will pan down so you can see the length of this in a second, but here's how it looks. Here's the length as promised. So here's how long it is. It has pockets. Here's the back. It's very, very long. If you couldn't tell, it is extremely long. Left the jeans on with it. It's pretty cute. Even though it's an extra small, it has plenty of room. Pretty roomy, so I don't know. So as I was saying, I don't know if I need this. It is definitely warmer. I don't have it out here with me. It's in my closet, but I do have a cardigan that's in this color. It's just a little lighter weight. I usually wear it more in the spring and the summer. It's a very lightweight knit cardigan in very similar color tone. So I'm not sure I need another one in this color and the price tag on this cardigan. This is a little bit warmer material than the other, but again, you know, it's playing devil's advocate. Do I need another one in a similar color? So I don't know, but I have one more item. It is an UGG sweater, and I'm very excited about that. I think that is the item I was most excited in this box for. So hang on, and I'm going to switch into as promised. I have the last item in this fix on, and this is by UGG, the Sage sweater. It is in the color off-white. It is a size extra small, and it is $88. This sweater is so cozy and soft. The camera can't even do it justice. And like I said, I was excited about this. I do love the UGG brand. I have UGG slippers, UGG boots. I've been a long time fan of UGG for years. So, but I've never had a sweater by them. So I don't know, but I'm going to back up and show you the full sweater. Like I said earlier, this sweater is $88. It is a price match for the most expensive item from the last item that I had on, which was the cardigan. But here it is. And I just left the jeans on, and the tag was getting tangled, but not. So here is the front. It notches up, so it has like a notch up on the side. And it's just a little bit longer in the back. So, and by the way, let me come closer so you can see the color and the material. So, see how soft and fuzzy. And I cuffed it once, but here is the length of the arm if I don't cuff it. So, I don't know. It's a possibility. Oh, and then it has like this little like kind of turtleneck, mock cowl neck thing going on, but it's just cute. And I don't know, I just really, really like it. So and I looked online. Nobody has this cheaper just yet. So I can't price match it anywhere. It would be $88. That's it. Because Stitch Fix will price match a lot of times if you can find the item cheaper somewhere else. But bending down to get my paperwork. So now you've seen everything in this fix, and I want to do just a very quick wrap up. I know I mentioned earlier about that buy all discount. So let's talk item subtotal here of all 5 items that you just saw me try on. So everything in this fix, if add it all up from the highest priced of 88 times 2 to the lowest price of 49 for the skinny jeans that I am still wearing, is $367.99. The buy all discount is 25%, and that would be a deduction of $92. So the order subtotal, the new order subtotal, if you bought everything, is $275.99. And I don't have any credits or anything like that because I maxed out those credits earlier in the year, and that does not reset until January, the beginning of next year. So the bottom line, if I kept all 5 items, it would be $275.99. Now, the items that I am leaning towards keeping, to be quite honest, is this UGG sweater. I really like it. If I was going to keep anything out of this fix, I think I would keep this. I would most likely, I'm debating because I don't think I'm keeping all 5. So I think I'm okay with letting go of the blush cardigan. I like the skinny jeans, but I don't know if I need them. I don't think I need any more jeans right now. So I'm leaning towards sending those back. I'm also leaning towards sending the booties back because, as I shared earlier, I have a very similar bootie that I got at Marshall's from Naturalizer for a better price. So I don't think I need these. And I don't know about the Hubby hooded vest. I know that's a big style right now. I'm just not sure I like the fact that it doesn't have like a zipper closure. I wish it zipped or, you know, buttoned or something like to close it, because it does get cold, and I don't know if that's practical. The hood is practical, but the lack of closure is not, so I'm not sure about that. So my possibility is this sweater and maybe the Hubby vest, but I don't know. Tell me what you think. You saw everything on this try on today. I would appreciate any comments, feedback, any thoughts on any of the items if I'm missing the mark on something. That said, I just want to thank all of my continuing viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for your long time support and friendship. I really appreciate that. Also, if you are not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button below. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. And now I want to wish, I don't know which order I'm going to do these videos. I actually filmed both my Stitch Fix and my recent trends done in the same day. I don't know which I'm going to show you first. So if this somehow comes before and it's before Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. If not, I hope you and your family had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I also just want to wish everybody a magical day now, and